1 hour.
1 hour? Maybe they just swap out.
Yeah, they swap out every hour. They might take this one off because he's been unsettled since he arrived.
Do you reckon he'd bite someone?
It's pretty rare, but yesterday somebody's kid got burned that end on their leg. But I mean, who takes their kid up and puts the kid next to the horse's mouth? But you see it here, honestly. It's unbelievable. Not only that, this horse bolts, look how many people there are in the middle. Madness.
Yeah, he doesn't look too pleased. Looks kind of anxious.
I don't think they're going to change it, not yet, because they just dismounted. There are too many horses in the stables. What they really need to do is open the back gates and take the horse into the yard, I would say.
Are we able to go into the yard?
Yeah. And it's public access. You walk straight through. This is the mad busy time because the guard change at the palace is still happening, which means everyone's going to be flooding from Buckingham Palace down to here through the. I mean, just look at this madness, eh, for Monday morning.
Twice already past the bus.
You pushed it again. Okay, so you pushed the emergency button on the wall, and that means they'll bring out a new one. But you guys weren't expecting this much drama, no, on a Monday morning.
He's a big boy too.
Yeah.
Give him some carrots and leave with
Is there more of these further around?
You mean the guards that are on horse?
Yeah.
No, only the two, one at the front and one here. But there are two more guards inside. They stand in the archways. One there and then the other corner. They stand there for 2 hours. And those are the ones that you often hear screaming in the tourists' faces when they're in the way.
Oh, right.
When they walk outside, you know, make way, get out of the way, this kind of stuff. Yep. Bit of a wait for the new horse people for two reasons. One, we just saw we've got 7 new horses arrived, ready to dismount. So I'm pretty sure they're going to open the back gates, take this horse into the yard. He seems far more settled than a bit earlier, but I'm very doubtful that they'll keep this horse on. Plus the guard pushed the button twice actually, once a little earlier. In fact the officer pushed it for him, the police officer. So many tourists coming on, they want to see the horse, but obviously this is not the right spot to be thinking about looking at a horse this morning, this end anyway. Come on horses, settle down, it'll be fine. Toys having more of a meltdown than the horse, to be honest with you. Smile from the guards, not all bad. We've seen they have a far more stern look on their face when it's serious. Always a battle of wills on a Monday with a horse that does not want to work. Extraordinary how how settled the other horse is. This guy, look, on his phone, walking straight in front. Oh god, here we go. Tour guide plus flag. Luckily he's leading to the other end. Common sense. Busy here though, if you can see, look. So something really went wrong. The horse bolted. A major freak out. Yeah. A lot to worry about. Some people walking very, very close. Look at this, like right in front of the box. Crazy. Here? Playing up. He's already pushed the button a couple of times. It's only a matter of time before they swap him out, I think. Trouble is 7 just arrived, so they've got a bit of a logjam in the stables. He was out the box there dancing around a couple of minutes ago. Guard seems pretty chill, but too many kids around could go wrong very quick, couldn't it? As usual here. Take it. Right in front of the head. Ah, goodness me.
She felt the wing defense.
Oh, someone else, another phone zombie. Look at this, look. Right in front of the bag. Have a good day. Phone zombie walking straight through there. I think the horse's head was sticking out the box and he didn't walk straight into it. We did see that before. Anyone that hasn't seen the phone zombie video where the guy walked straight into the horse's head, that's something that's definitely worth watching. Pictures with the horse that's back in the box, not the most smart tourist to be fair, but there we are. Anyway, let's concentrate for a little while on the other horse for 2 reasons. One, this horse has been very, very settled. If I do see a trooper come out or a replacement horse, I'll head back so we don't miss it. If the horse comes out of the box again, 100% they'll replace it. It's normally 2 or 3 times tops, and that's it, they give up and just replace the horse. Oh, they just push straight in. Lady with the red jacket was next. Oh, hand on the reins. Straight away, see that? Guy just pulled the reins back. Get your hand off the reins. More people just pushing in, as usual. Typical. Okay, let's see who's up next. Boom. Some people just not waiting their turn. Look at this, they're just pushing straight in. Rest this horse one end, rest this Taurus the other end. Oops, nippy nippy. Who's this nipper, I'm wondering? Nice guy's got a new nipper.
Very good, there we go. Must be at the top for not tall right. Anyway guys, let's head to the bus stop.
Horse the other end seems settled for the moment. If that horse comes out of the box again, I'll go back. Taurus at the moment are being relatively smart. They're congregating in larger numbers this end. So wow, a horse that wouldn't get settled, Taurus that putting the kids right in front of a horse that wouldn't get settled, and then a rain grab. Welcome to Horse Guards on Monday morning, folks. The never-ending story. We got all of that and the dismount, folks, this morning, clearly without any obstructions. Quite lucky. So we didn't speak too soon. It's infectious. This horse here starts clipping about. He's like, you know what? See, one at the other end isn't working, neither am I. This one is the larger of the two as well. Not massively, so. The one I think 17.1. This one's definitely at the top end, 17.3. Despite that extremely fluffy fringe, it still causes a lot of damage. Goodness me. There's quite a lot happening for one Monday morning. I haven't even had time to go in and see who is in the arches. Let's have a quick look. I haven't heard any clippy clopping inside, so my money's on them not actually prepping a new horse. Yeah, there's no new horse being prepped in the gate stabling area. Light again. Guard's got that great light in the corner here. Beautiful circle on the wall. Amazing. In fact, the definite lucky side, instead of being over here, excuse the sun, over here in the arch, the shady side, where it's pretty damn chilly.
You know, I thought I was pretty advanced, but you were pretty good.
YouTube. That's right.
YouTube? Really?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube? Yeah.
Sorry guys, 1 second.
You're fine. Wow.
Main account that links straight to the YouTube account as well.
Wow.
Thank you guys. Don't walk in there, otherwise you'll become a YouTube meme.
You want a good footage?
No, not that kind of good footage. Enjoy. Okay. Cute, very cute. Okay, back to the front. Not hearing a lot of clopping. Let's hope the horse hasn't just disabled this woman whilst we were in the yard. He's still sulking. The horse is in sulky mood. Look, doesn't want to cheer up at all this morning, this horse. He's like, I'm not going to work at all. I'm just going to stay in the corner and sulk. Really does not want to be public facing today. I'd love to know why that is. Sometimes, you know, they'll come over, they'll be absolutely fine, not an issue, totally relaxed. But then other times, like today, just not in the mood at all. Gate at the back, doors on the box are a teeny weeny bit open. I'm not sure if that's because the horse has pushed them open somewhat, or because the guard trooper forgot to lock them. Oh. This horse is roaring like a lion. I was watching Lion King for a second there. It's like Mufasa. Poor horse here. Yeah, just not happy about being anywhere near the public today. Really not happy about it being anywhere near. Okay. Again, I can still see inside the yard, so if they bring out another horse, I'll make sure to dash back, folks. Oh, let's actually push it into the picture. Do just walk straight through their picture, no problem. actually quite surprised that having seen the button push twice this morning, we haven't yet had somebody to come out to address the second push. Curious, very curious. Brave kid. Gell?
I'm ready.
You would at least try and conjure a fake smile for a picture with the king's horse. Some people don't even bother that. And it's odd because what's the point in having your picture taken if you're going to look, I don't know, moody? See? That's how it's done. Horse is really throwing the bit again at this end. Really not settling down at all. He's actually backwards in the box right now. Look at this. Not a happy horsey. He's actually, curiously, the horse that is, decided to push open the rear doors of the box. I've never seen that before. Look, see this? Officer's actually closing them. I think he's going to take the horse around. Yeah, everyone's getting cleared at the front, out of the way. They're going to bring the horse in. There we are. Horse has been set free, everybody. Glorious thing to see. I'm well back. Because this horse is just not having it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. What on earth? This is the most dramatic thing I've ever seen here in the yard. Yeah, they should have taken the horse off immediately. Extraordinary thing to see. I've got nowhere to go either. Just hoping the horse doesn't come over to where I am. I've got my back against the wall right now. Oh, horsey, 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 horsey. Goodness gracious me. Absolutely extraordinary. Guards coming to help. Incredible sights here this morning. Utterly extraordinary. Really extraordinary. You can see, look, the tourists are just like, what on earth is going on today? Absolutely incredible. Never ever seen anything like this here. Okay. I mean, so for the trooper to come out of the arches, the gatesman to come out of the arches whilst he's in the middle of his duty. Another trooper's out. I've never seen the gatesman leave his post ever. Midway. Absolutely unique scenes these are. It's the first.